Hello team, it's time for another crappy tutorial. First of all, so you open Delphi with your model here. I just want to start by saying that Thomas, you didn't do the right job here. You forgot to multiply all the other profiles by a certain factor, like Carrie said actually. So shots fired right there. Anyways, um, so what you want to do to be able to go in your design hydrostatics sheet without having this error message is you need to go in your project setting option right here, go in your main particular and change all these three ones. So right now I don't know what the length of this one is. So what you can do is grab the last point here, get the x coordinate. This, go in your main, in project setting, copy paste that one, and then do the same thing for your largest beam, so 0.399. Actually, your beam should be times 2 that, so whatever, 0.8, 0.8. And then for your draft, put, as of now, just put 20 centimeters, but we're going to change this in not too long. After that, you should be able to go in your design hydrostatics, and you can see that you have some information, but you're still missing a bunch of them. So before getting your final hydrostatic sheet, you'd go in your layer menu, change density to 900 kilograms per meters cube, and change the thickness to, let's say, 2 centimeters. I don't know what it is. Let's just assume it's 2 centimeters for now. And now you should be able to have all this information right here. So first of all, I know the units here are in tons. I'm not too sure why, but it works well if it's just you consider them to be kilograms. So there are 112 kilograms. The boat is 112 kilograms, but it needs to support 4 people in it, right? So what you can do is you just calculate the 112 kilograms plus 2 guys, and we're going to assume that they're 90 kilos, and then 2 girls, and we're going to assume that they're 65 kilos. We can discuss these numbers later on. Let's just assume this for this tutorial. And then you know that your boat needs to support 422 kilograms, including itself. So how would you know that? You'd go back into you go in hydrostatics. Sorry, you go in hydrostatics, put start draft at 0, and draft at something above 0.5. 1 is fine, and then you change a step draft at 1 millimeter, and then you calculate. So what is the draft? It's where the water arrives on the side of the boat, basically. I said that the volume that needs to be displaced is actually I don't know what's the volume that needs to be displaced. This is the amount of water we need to. This is the weight of the boat with all its passengers. So then the volume of water that needs to displace to support all that weight would be this divided by the density of water, which is 1,000 kilograms per meters cubed. So you get 0.4222. You'd go in this column, in the volume column, and you check for that volume. So 422 should be somewhere here. 422. 423 is fine. So you have a draft of 0.89 here. You go back into your main particular, your project settings, go in main particulars and change the draft to 0.89. Press OK, and now voila, all your design hydrostatics coefficients and whatever should be fine. So please rate, comment, and subscribe, and share this video on Twitter and whatever. That's it. So send me an email also if you have any other questions. Thanks.